Hey guys, this is Pam, and once again, welcome back to another cooking video. I have a non-veg recipe today, and this is one of my favorite part of the meat. So today I'm gonna be preparing a tailbone buffalo meat. So among all the parts of the meat, this is my favorite, and I have so many ingredients as well. So among all this, this litsi is the highlight. This is dry litsi, not the fresh one. The fresh looks green in color. Okay, so this suits very well with non-veg buffalo meat. So I have fresh king chili, and I have not so good looking Naga coriander, samurai. And these are the roots of what do you call again? Chives. Are Naga chives. In my previous video I used those chives, so these are the roots. So this gives a little bit kind of smell like garlic, so it's very nice when you add this in the meat. So with that being said, let's start preparing. When the oil is hot, let's just add the bay leaves and also a little bit of cumin seed. Add the onion. Let's stir it. Once the onion turns into golden brown, let's add the other ingredients. Very pork. Let's add the king chili, crushed ginger garlic. Oh no! After frying for a while, let's add the other ingredients. Yellow powder, 2 scoops. Red chili powder, again this also 2 scoops. I have matcha here, so let's add some more. And mix it well again. Now let's start adding the meat. After frying for 10-15 minutes, add some salt, 1.5 scoop. Let's add this as well. Add some wild coriander. Let's mix it. And we'll whistle it for 15 minutes first. Okay guys, so I have whistled it around like 15 to 20 times. Let's open it and see how it looks like inside. Ooh, it smells so good. So I'm going to add the litsi, crushed litsi, and some more crushed ginger and garlic. Crushed ginger and garlic, litsi, crushed one, and I have some more samurai, and I'll add a little bit of water, and let's mix it well. No need to add extra salt again, it's already salty enough. So we'll cover the lid and we'll whistle for another 5 times. And it will be done. Okay buddies, so today's tailbone recipe is finally done, and this is how it looks like. Look at that. It's incredible. It's so yum. I have tasted. See, look at the fat. I'm a big fan of fat, so I prefer to eat this. Some people they don't like, but I love this. Let's see how it tastes. This is so good, absolutely yum, superb, amazing. Whenever I cook mixed bone, I prefer to have it a bit tender, so that's why I whistle in pressure cooker for like 25, almost 30, so the flesh are very tender, it's soft. Some people they don't like the meat very soft, but you know, those who have a severe gastritis, it's not good for the stomach, so I always prefer a soft tender one. And this is absolutely so good. And litsi is the best spices for the red meat, so I always add litsi, crushed litsi, whenever I cook beef or buff. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's watching video. Thank you so much for watching. Always eat, enjoy, and stay healthy. See you soon.